Some of you may have noticed in my last Sirius Stiletto video the battery wouldn't stay on. That's because the battery clip fell off when an old battery expanded in the unit many years ago. Thankfully, by searching eBay under Sirius Stiletto battery holder, a vendor named XM Sirius Fix has 3D printed a solution. I should remind you, this is an SL100 receiver. After 5 days, it arrived. The small package consisted of a latch and a spring. Let's start by placing the spring on the center pillar while keeping the latch up and the hooks on the bottom. Line up the spring with the center hole and the hooks should align with their lateral slots. It takes a small amount of pressure to pop the hooks in. When properly placed, you'll hear a snap. Let's try out the battery. It's actually a really nice fit. To unlock, simply lift the latch up. If there was one minor complaint, the color doesn't perfectly match, but I'm not going to waste time complaining. I've got a free lifetime activated Sirius satellite radio. If you have time and found this video helpful, please click that like button, and we'll see you next time.